If you're an eBay reseller, you probably have heard that eBay is about to introduce some new promoted listings policies, and they are not necessarily positive for eBay sellers. So a lot of sellers are turning off their promotions, sending a message to eBay that we're not happy with this policy and we're not going to pay for promoted listings anymore. So if you're interested in doing that, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, at least the way I know how to do it. So here we go. We're at the eBay homepage right here. You want to go up to the top right corner and click on My eBay. Don't worry about any of these things in this drop down. Just click the top link, and that's going to go to your Seller Hub. If you don't have Seller Hub set up in your account, that's a subject for a different video. So if you do have it, then the next step is going to be to come over here to listings, scroll down a little bit to active listings. Then you're going to wait for this whole page to populate. This is going to have a list of every single listing you have in your eBay shop right here, all of the ones that are active. You can go by this little checkbox that says actions, select that. That will select every listing that you have in your eBay shop. Then come up here to edit. You can click edit selected or edit them all. We're just going to hit edit all. I've got 1,843 listings, so this might take a little while. I've been working in here, so I get this pop up. You may or may not get it. You can just either just ignore this finish previous and go to continue. Then we're going to get basically the same list again in a slightly different format, and we have to kind of go through a couple of the same steps. This is a strange thing that you have to do it twice, but you do. So go up here to the top left and click that box. That's going to select all of your listings again. Then you can go right above that to bulk edit, scroll through all of this stuff, and get to the section that says sell it faster. You'll hit promoted listings, and then another pop-up will open. This gives you the opportunity to either change your promoted listings, change the percentage that you're paying. I'll just show you quickly how to do that. It gives you the rate that you want to do, or you can select a campaign that you already have. We're not going to do that. We're going to click stop promoting and hit apply. Now, this might take a second because I have quite a few listings to go through, but the fewer listings you have, the faster it will go. Now it says promoted listings updated in 1,839. I'm not sure why I didn't do all 1,843, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm just going to come over here and hit submit. I'm going to have one listing that has a problem on it. I have to hit submit again in the pop-up. There's one listing that has an issue that I haven't addressed yet, so that's going to come up. But you may have one listing failed due to listing error, so you may have more that have a red arrow, or you might not have any. If you do have red arrows, you can click this little button and change anything that you think might be wrong with that listing, or that it tells you what's wrong. This one says this item cannot be listed or modified. I know what's going on with it, but I'm leaving that alone for right now. And then that should be it. Once you have changed the listings that you want to change, if you need to, you can hit submit again, and you should be all set. So if you're interested in sending a message to eBay that you don't want to pay for promoted listings, even if people don't click on them, then you can turn off all your listings right now, all your promoted listings right now, and let eBay know that you are not willing to give them money for something that they're not actually providing. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.